Okay, so today on Affordable Home Repairs, we're going to be repairing this here planter. It's a wonderful eyesore in the front of my very old house. And I've been weed eating it, and nothing really seems to keep it clean. What tools you're going to need to do this job here, we have a big spade shovel on the bottom, got a pickaxe on top of that, we got a backup square shovel, soil sifter, and the soil sifter, it only costs you like $10 to make. It's literally just 2x4s with some screws. You got staples in here and 1/4 inch grate, and that's gonna help us. So here we go. Oh, we got landscaping fabric too to make sure that the grass doesn't grow back. You know what? Let me get my rake too. Alright. I'll be right back. Comes up with the rocks, that's a good thing. Rocks away.